In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Google Sites with Google Analytics. We'll be walking through these steps one at a time to ensure that everything is set up smoothly. This process will help you gain insights into how users interact with your site, allowing you to make informed decisions to boost your site's performance. Let's dive into the first step. Start by opening your Google Sites where you've been managing your website. At the top right of your screen, you'll notice a settings icon. It's the one that looks like a gear. You go ahead and click on that, which will open up a menu of various options related to your site settings. This is where you can fine-tune much of your site's functionality. Once you've clicked on the settings icon, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the option labeled Analytics. This option will lead you to a space where you can link your Google site to Google Analytics, thereby allowing you to start tracking visitor data immediately. Now, the key component of this process is your Analytics Measurement ID. If you're wondering what exactly a measurement ID is, think of it as a unique identifier that Google Analytics uses to collect and send data regarding your site's traffic. To find your ID, you'll need to navigate to your Google Analytics account. After logging in, if you don't already know your way around, just look for a tab marked Admin. It's usually located at the bottom of the sidebar to the left. Under Property, you'll see an option called Data Streams. Click on that and you'll find your new measurement ID listed under Web. Next, jump back over to Google Sites, and in the Analytics section where you're currently working, you should find a blank field waiting for this ID to be pasted. Carefully copy your measurement ID from Google Analytics, then head back to Google Sites and paste it into this field. It's crucial to ensure that you're copying and pasting the ID accurately to avoid any errors in data collection. Once you've pasted the ID, check that everything looks correct and then save or confirm this change. Google Sites might automatically save for you, but it doesn't hurt to make sure those changes are locked in. That's essentially it. Now, once these settings have been firmly saved, your Google site is officially linked to Google Analytics. From here on out, you should be able to track all sorts of data about your visitors, including where they come from, what pages they visit, and how long they stay. This information can be extremely powerful in helping you understand and improve user engagement on your website. And that wraps up today's tutorial on syncing Google Sites with Google Analytics. Remember, the insights you gain from these analytics can be crucial for enhancing your website's effectiveness. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and feel more confident in continuing to integrate these essential tools for your site's growth. Thanks for tuning in.